Good day to my future employer. My name is Susan C. Malinas. I am 43 years old. I am married. I have 4 children, 1 boy, 3 girls. Their age is 24, 21, 16, and 2 years old. My height is 5 feet and 2 inches. I am 69 kilograms. My work experience as a maid here in the Philippines for more than 2 years is I do my duties like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, cooking, and feed the dog. Also, I have experience to work in abroad like in Hong Kong for only 1 year. They early terminated me because the father of my employer that I take care is passed away due to his illness. During that time, I do my duties, especially taking care of Hong Kong. Otherwise, I do cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and going sometimes to market. Mom, sir, hope this little experience you can choose me. Please, I can promise that I am honest person, hardworking, and I will do my best to work with you and your family. Thank you.